What's up, dudes? My name's Your Big Pain. Welcome back to another weird looking Lego review. Today's looking review, reviewing some few things that I made some videos of. So, I'm not at home. I wish I brought my Clone Wars Anakin with me, but this is all I got. This is a Revenge of the Sith Anakin at Mustafar. I kind of made myself. The clothing is made out of paper. That's something I did with the pencil. Lightsaber is the same thing. And also the buckle belt from Princess Leia and Luke Skywalker's belt, soldier belt. So this is Anakin Skywalker. And here we have General Kenobi, Kenobi's armor. So, yep, he's weird. I know it. I'm bad, and I know it. You know I'm bad. It does look good in this though. But if I only have different Obi-Wan Kenobi head. So, anyways. General Kenobi and Anakin Skywalker. I did make Padme Amidala one and a Clone Wars Anakin. So, I'm sure right now, since I'm not at home, here you go, guys.